students. How are you? Hope all of you are fine and safe at your home. Now today we are start our lesson number 15, The Lazy Gardener, from our reader book. Now who works in a garden? Garden में कौन काम करता है? And the answer is gardener. What will happen if he doesn't work properly? क्या होगा अगर वो अपना काम सही तरीके से नहीं करेगा? तो हमारे गार्डन के सारे ट्रीज फ्लावर्स जो हैं सब मुरझा जाएंगे, सब खराब हो जाएंगे. सो ये आंसर जो है हम इस लेसन को रीड करके हमें ये इसके आंसर मिलने हैं कि क्या होगा अगर जो गार्डनर है वो काम सही से नहीं करेगा. सो स्टूडेंट्स, first I read the lesson for you, that you look at this picture. There is a gardener. He is sleeping here. ये सो रहा है. तो इस स्टोरी में क्या होता है उसके बारे में आप पहले रीडिंग करेंगे, उसके बाद जानेंगे. सो लिसन इट केयरफुली. Once there was a gardener. He was a very lazy man. When his master was in the garden, he worked hard. But as soon as his master went to his office, the gardener sat under a tree and went to sleep. All flowers died because he gave them no water, and the master was very angry. "How can I make this lazy man do some work?" said his master. One day an old woman called Muniamma came into the garden. She was a very clever woman and she could do many wonderful things. One day a milkman's cow fell ill. Muniamma said some strange words into its ear and the cow got better. Another day a fisherman could catch no fish. Muniamma held his net in her hands and soon it was full of fish. "I will make the lazy gardener work harder," she said. She said to the gardener, "Do you want to be a rich man?" The gardener thought it was a wonderful idea. He would not have to do any work if he was rich. He liked this idea because he did not like to work. "Yes, please," he said to Muniamma. "I would like to be rich." The old woman gave him a small black seed. "Take this seed," she said, "and put it in the ground. It will grow very quickly and make you rich." The gardener put the seeds in his master's garden. He watered it very carefully, and next morning he came to look at it. It was 2 feet tall. At the top of the plant there was a pretty red flower. "Ah," said the gardener, "this is wonderful, but how will it make me rich? Perhaps I must pluck the flower and sell it in the market." He put out his hand to pluck the flower, but he heard someone say, "Please don't pluck me." The gardener looked at the flower and he saw a very small man inside. The man was dressed in red from head to toe. Even his nose was red. He was only as big as the gardener's thumb. The little red man jumped out of the flower and said, come on, you have work to do. Hurry, hurry." He made the gardener work very hard. At 10 o'clock all the flowers were watered, but still the gardener had to work. The little red man's command had magical power, so he could not refuse to work. At 11 o'clock, the gardener was very thirsty and he wanted to drink water, but still he had to work. At 1 o'clock, the little red man said, "Now you can have your lunch, but you must start your work again at 3 o'clock. "3 o'clock," said the gardener. "I always sleep until 5 o'clock. "Not today," said the little red man. "You have work to do." "I never heard such talk," said the gardener. "I will sleep as long as I like." But at 3 o'clock the little red man made him get up and start work again. Come on, hurry, hurry, hurry," said the little red man. The gardener's master came at 6 o'clock. The garden looked nice and tidy. He was very pleased. That night the gardener slept happily. Next morning he got up at 7 o'clock. The little red man would not allow him to stay in bed. Come on, hurry, 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 said the little man. The gardener was angry. How can a seed make me rich? He said, it is making me work too hard. I shall grow thin and die. No man can live if he works so hard. But that day the work did not seem so hard. The gardener found that he was enjoying the work. It was quite pleasant to work in a garden. Perhaps I shall not die after all, said the gardener, and he worked very hard all day. He forgot to go to rest. The little red man had to say to him, you must go and rest now. It is nearly 2 o'clock. You will be too tired. The gardener rested until 3 o'clock and then he got up again and worked. The garden soon looked very beautiful and everyone came to look at it. The gardener was the happiest man. The Maharaja heard of him and he was called to the darbar. He was made head gardener. Soon he became rich. Munniamma's word had come true. He never saw the little red man again, but he still worked hard because he had found the joy of working hard. So students, this is the reading of lesson, The Lazy Gardener. So you have to read it and try to understand it.